Welcome to Iloilo.
On our way to Bacolod National Convention. Here we go.
Pakilang po pag recording started kaku.
Ngayon pala nag-record ang puta.
Lalabas press 18 kilometers away. Yun yung release nila.
Okay.
Pasok.
Ay, nakaliwa. Kay MSP, Summer.
Sure ba kayo may naiwan pa motor sa baba?
Hindi po, isundo nyo. Nakaputing ngayon eh. Alam mo bakit yung nag-reklamo? 18,000 kasi kami. Yun.
China lang tayo. Parang China lang
Taiwan. Yan na, may ano. Jerry.
Huli.
Bacolod lang, gago ka kayo. Bacolod.
Bikers Unlimited, Poly Bagyo, #1. South RSA, thank you.
Let's go!
S1000.
Flag.
Yes.
Bacolod.
Let's go.
National Convention. See you. First stop, Batangas Port.
Yeah, let's go.
DJ, dire?
Bilis na. Dali. Guys.
Angel of time, guys. Batangas Port. 10 minutes away. See you.
Let's go.
Katiklan.
Boracay.
I think 222 kilometers right to Iloilo. Makikita mo naman ang ulan, di ba?
Ay, thank you RSA, BMW, Libis, LCD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woohoo! Shout out Alon, RSA, Libis. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Nangarap ng carbon. Matutulog siya. Ay, yatang ano. Matutulog.
Today, I think it's day 1 of 2025 National Convention in Bacolod. So we're here in Batangas Port, Redco Port. From BMW, thank you. RSA Motors, thank you.
Sama ko na rin si
MV
si
Agusta.
Motostrada, MV Agusta, tsaka CF Moto.
MV Agusta, CF Moto.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Tapos tumirik din yung boat natin.
Boat natin. Galing.
Nagsugal sila. Pero masaya, di ba?
Masaya.
Really. Morning, Mindoro.
Welcome to
Ride ulit.
Katiklan.
Jansak.
Tayo sa ibang member.
Touchdown.
Yung probe mo, lumobo yung ano.
Touchdown.
Hinintay pa namin 2 beses.
Touchdown. Para sa piyaya. Putang ina.
Punta tayo port.
Await na tayo na Bacolod.
On the way to Bacolod na. For the 28 Natcom.
Just 30 minutes away from Bacolod.
Let's go.
I never met you, but I want to invite you to the party. You walked in with those green eyes, never stolen by nobody. And they flicker to the future. For a moment I could picture. And you touch me. I come back. We're talking on the staircase about your big dreams on the big screens. Out of Georgia now, you're lonely in this city. Lying with me, and you're scared it's moving quickly. Oh, now you're crying, you're in pieces, cause the only love you've ever known is Jesus. I can feel it, oh, I hate that I'm the reason that you're in your head right now.
Darwin.
While your world is spinning out. So slow it down, take a moment now. We're too young to drown. Deep and dirty waters full of hope is down. Let me pour you out. Let me hold you now. Let me slow it down. Ain't it funny how it changes, how the future rearranges? I get nervous, how I'm anxious. Maybe loving you is dangerous. I can lose you like the others. Only girl that's never left me is my mother. I love her, and I know you probably hate it, but I'm in my head right now. So slow it down, take a moment now. We're too young to drown. Deep and dirty waters full of hope is down. Let me pour you out. Let me hold you now. Let me slow it down when you're on the ground and you're crying. I'm trying to slow it down when you're spinning round in your
Ang ganda ng ibon na yun,
I'll help you slow it down.
Sama ka raw sa picture, pipicturean daw tayo. Ayan.